What is up, my shred heads? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're back on the Sur Ron, and we are actually already started our group ride. We came from Surf Bagel over here to catch up with Bomber Marv and Officer Neil. We got Matt the mechanic on the Sur Ron. Bomber Marv, what the hell is this, bro?
On the Ringo.
The Ringo. That's gonna be the fastest e-bike on the ride, definitely 100%. Then we got Cole on his upgraded Sur Ron. He finally got it all fixed up after dropping it and getting owned. What'd you get? New prickly?
Everything.
Yeah, new everything. Oh, the seat cover,
yeah.
Sotion motor. Hell yeah, ready to rock, bro. Then we got Kayvon over here, got his new street tires. Look at that.
Not so new anymore.
Not so new anymore. They look really good though. Got the BAC 4000, Sotion motor probably coming pretty soon, and Gladiator battery. Hell yeah. Let's freaking rock today, bro. It's gonna be fun. Officer Neil, where's your Sur Ron, bro? No, I'm just kidding. How you been? Before we get started on this video, if you guys do want to support the channel, check out that link down below for the Greenline Engineering's BAC 4000. Use code SHREDDIE, get 5% off your order. Also, if you want to upgrade your battery to the Chai Gladiator battery from Chai Battery Systems, check out that link down below. Use code SHREDDIE and get 5% off your order. If none of these products are for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like.
Greenline Engineering.
Make sure you use code SHREDDIE, 5% off your order. We got the pegs, got rid of the pedals, so now I'm illegal or legal. I don't know, who knows, whatever.
You're
whatever
legal.
I am. Oh, Marv, try my bike. It's extended. It's got new forks.
Dude, his bike.
You can turn it on.
So you turn it off just so I can turn it back on?
Yeah, I didn't know.
I told you. I think sitting up high.
Yeah, it feels good, right? Bomber Marv approved.
Come a long way, boy.
I know, bro.
He's been getting good, ain't he?
It always takes us so long to go from catching up at the church parking lot to actually starting the ride. So we've been here for about like an hour. So let's finally get this started. I feel like the KARENS may be out in full force. It's a beautiful day out here. This guy power wheeling trails. Oh God. I know there's gonna be a lot of people out today on the trails. Jesus Christ. You need a brake light. Monkey see, monkey do, I guess. Watch out on your left. He's going faster than 12 miles an hour, so he's breaking the speed limit. This looks sick. Yeah. Choo-choo. Don't worry, we're just a gang. That guy's a maniac. Dude, my neck hurts. I don't know if it's his helmet or what the hell. There's like this little cool spot that's like a straight road that used to be the train tracks. And like at the end of it, it's freaking awesome. So we're gonna take a little trip down there, and it's a nice good straightaway too, top of that. I didn't take my book bag off, man. This thing's swaying like a freaking bitch.
All the way to the end gets $1,000.
Yeah, right. Like the best road for wheelies. How you guys doing? Beautiful day out here. Yeah, I do like the way it holds your ass. Like, cause when I'm wheeling, sometimes I'm sliding. This is like,
Your ass have like,
Isn't this awesome? Yeah, get it.
it's a nice little spot.
Dude, this is like we drag race and shit.
Look, the guy I was with, he said it probably don't work. I said, man, I don't know. I just pulled the trigger and it just shot off. Pop, pop.
What?
Airsoft gun.
You just started shooting it?
Yeah, because it's at a auction. It was sitting in a box.
Oh my
outside,
God.
And it had the paintballs in the hopper and everything.
So I know never to keep a hot throttle
Don't leave anything.
or any guns around him. Yeah. Guys, what do you think? Do you like the helmet cam view better than the chest mount? Let me know down in the comments. I know you guys see me using this thumb throttle right here on the left. It's actually a regen thumb throttle that comes with the Greenline Engineering's BACs, 4000s, and 8000s. Damn, Neil's getting it.
Man, I'm like still dealing with itching issues, man.
Itching?
From them bugs you took us to last time. That
Really?
We blamed you for. Yeah.
The fucking chiggers?
They're chiggers, man. Them jokers tore me.
Did you get
up.
ticks too or no?
No, I just when I was in the prison, I seen a dude that had them. And they left trails all under his skin, look like routes. Like yeah, they crawl under your skin.
That's disgusting.
And he was like this, just beating it, because you gotta have medication to kill him.
Oh my God. Oh guys, I'm still pushing 10 kilowatts out of here with 420 phase amps with 15 milliseconds of throttle response. And the beautiful Nat Geo over here off to the right. Oh, I met a fan this morning. His name was Brian, and I met his family. So if you guys are watching this video right now, hi to you guys, and hopefully I get to ride with you guys very soon. At Surf Bagel of all places. So if you're ever in Lewis or Rehoboth, Surf Bagel is the place to go. We said we weren't gonna go fast, Marv. Does not feel like we're in Delaware back here, guys. If you guys are enjoying this ride up until now, definitely don't forget to drop a like for this beautiful view and the whole crew rolling with us on this fun little group ride. This is where the sleepiest person fell and tried to take a nap on his bike. You guys remember? Do you guys remember that? Get it. Oh, the hearse is out. Hell yeah. Was that for Halloween or for real? Oh shit. Hold up. Let's do a bridge wheelie. It's crazy that Officer Neil can keep up with SurRons on the Kepler. How fast have you gotten that one up to so far? 80?
Yeah, it runs like 75 or so.
High five. Oh, you want to say hi to people? You guys got the Red Bulls. This is a cure for the headache. Now we're headed towards the old inlet bridge, guys. It's called the Old Indian River Inlet Bridge. I guess Bomber Marv is helping Matt the Mechanic's battery out. What you up to? We're up for a ride, bro.
Yeah, I should have got with you earlier.
Yeah, dude.
I was just fishing, man.
You got to get one of these.
I'm gonna buy one, dude.
Dude, you got to do it.
You, dude.
Peace out, brother. That was my good friend Eric. I actually grew up with him since we were like 15 years old. We finally made it. We stopped like 10 different times, and we always like talk for like an hour every time.
Like I said, I'd never keep up with you guys.
All right, now we're going over the Old Indian River Inlet Bridge. People out here kite surfing, enjoying this beautiful day. You guys are enjoying this group ride up until now. Definitely don't forget to drop a like. Look at this view, guys. Freaking gorgeous. Damn, who would have thought on a beautiful day on a group ride, I'm suffering from a freaking migraine. I get these migraines where I get really sick. I just took some Excedrin. Let's hope it goes away. I don't think Matt will ever beat that bike. Talk about saving your battery.
This guy, he's up here trying to push it. I'm like, is that all you got? Go, go, go. And then he takes off and he's like, yeah. I'm like, dude, I'm in level 3. I was like, man, I'm not trying to kill your battery.
Yeah.
I'm the one that's got to push you back.
Yep.
You know what I mean?
He's regretting that 42 amp hour.
Dude, I think I had to push him back at least like 5 times now.
Awesome view. Yeah, nothing beats this. Hell yes. All right, Matt the Mechanic, peace out, bro. This is awesome. Look at that. What a view. Dee's gonna come here with some medicine for me right quick. That's right, you fell.
We started laughing when you guys pulled up. We're like,
That's right, yeah. That video's got like 30,000 views right now. Yeah.
I used to race motocross. I mean, do you jump it at all?
Yeah, this can jump. I do a lot of wheelies on it. I don't have it set up, tuned up for jumping right now. What's that?
how fast?
Right now with this setup, I can go about 70 miles an hour.
That's probably the end of fucking dirt bikes.
Yeah,
and two-strokes.
yeah. I mean, dude, people are upgrading the motors on these.
Yeah.
So they take out the stock motor, put a new motor that won't overheat. Like you can pin it 80 miles an hour.
I got Rooster Sport Fishing. Return the favor, brother.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. I don't know where my battery charger.
It's in my bag. Yours on your bag.
Oh, I'm all fucked up, dude. That's why I wish we had a transit van for a situation like this. That guy should not be in this lane. I think the migraine's getting a little bit better, but it's still there. Drop a like for Neil on the Aerial Rider Kepler. If you guys are interested in that bike, there's a link down below for Aerial Rider. I think they have like 50 bucks off right now. Damn, after projectile vomiting everywhere, I'm finally starting to feel a little bit better. Damn, that's a nice boat. But get out of my lane, bro. Thought that guy was getting ready to cut us off.
I know.
That ride made my headache totally go away, guys. But what a fun day. We started around noonish, done around 5:10ish. So if you guys enjoyed that fun little group ride today, definitely don't forget to drop a like. We definitely got to hit that little church jump. Damn. And then there was 3, Bomber Marv and Officer Neil, sticking around to the end of the ride, sticking around with me through my crazy little headache. I'm glad. I feel way better now. 45 miles total. We're down to 35% battery on that after 45 miles. 75 volts on the 72 volt. 65%. Damn, dude. Got that extra battery back there too. Bomber Marv's build is pretty crazy. What's that, a 5,000 watt or?
Yeah.
5,000 watt motor, powerful lithium battery, 72 volt build. About 75 miles an hour top speed. If you guys want to see a video on this, definitely let me know. If you guys want to support the channel, check out the link down below for Greenline Engineering's BAC 4000. Use code SHREDDIE, get 5% off your order. And if you want the Gladiator battery from Tri Battery Systems, check out that link down below. Use code SHREDDIE and get 5% off that order. If none of these products are for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like. And as always, if you guys enjoyed that content, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, and ringing that notification to be notified when I'm making videos. And are you guys ready for the moment of silence for the subscribe button? In 3, 2, 1, hit subscribe, heads down. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next group ride for the Shredhead members. It's a foot drag, hell yeah.